Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to turn off app notifications on Android. So let's start. Click Settings. Now click here Notifications. Click App Notifications. The list all apps appear. Scroll down. Select to turn off app notifications. For example, I am selecting the Instagram app. Turn off. By doing this process, you can easily turn off app notifications on Android. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.